Hello guys, welcome to Sauru's Tech Review channel. Today I am going to show you how to set a custom ringtone to your iPhone. For this, first of all, you have to download the Documents and the GarageBand app from the App Store. Then you have to choose your favorite song from the YouTube. Here I am selecting the Justin Bieber's Believer. Then I have to share, then copy the link. Then you have to take the Documents app, then slide to the left from the down. Then in this field you have to enter YouTube to MP3. Then go. Then you have to take this. Here you have to paste the link you have already copied. Then convert it. Then you have to download this. Here we can change the name. I am here making it. Done. It will come here. Then we have to close this and then swipe right. Now we can go to the downloads. Then click the select button. Then select this song. Then click the more button and then share. Then save to files. And save. Now you can go to the GarageBand, then click the plus icon, then voice, then you have to click this button and you have to click the plus icon. Then here you have to increase the number of bars to 30, then done. Now you have to select this icon, then select files. And if you didn't see it here, you have to select browse from the files app, and if we click here it will come there, and then we have to drag it from here and place it here. Now the file has been imported. If you want to listen to it, you can play it here. Now you have to click here, then my songs, and you have to then press here, then share, then ringtone, continue. We can change the name. Export. Now it has been exported. Then we can go to the settings, then sounds, then ringtone, then believer. This is how we set a custom ringtone to our iPhone. Thank you for watching my video, and please keep on watching my new videos, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is Saurav signing off.